My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Big Brother Naija no lose guard voting poll from week one don finally surface internet after Big Brother organisers release am today. And also Chinwe, Onyeka and Chizoba don come out to control shades at some housemates this evening. So today, early hours of today, Big Brother come out to come release the voting polls. Una no talk say every season after they don vote finish, after they don crown winner, e go take like 1 week before everybody go come show us the voting poll, how voters voted from week one to the final week. So for week one, we dey see say Wanni x Handi dey number one, then followed by double K. Na like that they take do am, which means Nelita has always been a strong pair from week one. Week two, you dey see say double K come take over. You dey see Nelita still dey for up, Checker sef come go for up. For week three, you dey see say double K, Checkers, even Checkers even beat wetin dey call am Shatorial ship. The thing really dey surprising to a lot of people. Week four, double K still dey number one, dey beat Wanni and her sister by far. We dey see say for the fifth week, double K still beat Wanni dem by far. For eighth week, na Cassia na top table. Now this 8th week na it really come cause wahala, because for this 8th week, una remember say that 8th week a lot of people, it was a lot controversy dey. People just dey complain up and down say dem no vote, say dem no wan vote for Handi, say dem wan concentrate on Wanni. According to the Wanni x Handi fanbase wey call themselves Energy Squad, they say dem wan concentrate on only Wanni, say dem no wan share their votes, na make dem no vote for Handi, wey be say dem come evict Handi. Come turn out say true Wanni and her sister dem no really get strong fan base as we wey be say dey for street believe them to have. When I talk at that time, to say Wanni wetin help her too for finals na Sean fan base and her sister small fan base wey be say the sister gather, na push that girl go where she dey. They wan choke me. So fans don come out to come drop their 2 cents concerning this week 8 result, because according to them, wetin be their name, Wanni x Handi, their fans don too show people shege. And I talk about the likes of the Nelita ship. The Nelita ship na people really look down on well. Come turn out say they were never meant to be bottom. This 8 week result really shocked me well, because seeing Nelly and Anita become top 3 for 8 week, the thing really dey shocking to me. So make una lis ten to wetin fans talk for una sef.
Empty barrels. See, on these streets, when Kelly Ray fans are speaking, people should just go and stay. Wanni and Handi fans argue with people like Femi, Ben, what's those all those boys? What are their fan base called? Those them doctor, those people. Those are people are supposed to be fighting with. Those are your class, your mates. Don't come on, people that voted for their faves with money. That now their faves have come outside, they are still spending money on. Empty, even to gifting. When I saw that voucher, I said, wait, what is this? What is this? To buy fuel. So your friends cannot buy fuel. Instead of people to contribute and buy clothes for those dirty girls to be wearing good clothes, pay for good stylists and makeup artists, fuel voucher are giving them. All their media rounds, they're always going looking like goats. See them, Victoria, see them Nelly, see them Anita, see the way they dress. Your own Ume Jima, those area shoot, they will dress like a local twins.
Oh,
Dirty, smelly. So
calm
I
down,
thought
calm
you said
pay
you
for
have
those girls
changed
to
now. I
wear
thought
good
you said
clothes.
you have changed now.
Now you sabi, pay for those girls to wear good clothes. I'm just advising. See, it's just
Negotiation
a
was
harmless
messy,
advice.
oh.
Honest, harmless advice. So just pay, buy, take them. M&M luxuries there, they sell clothes. Go and buy clothes for those dirty girls. Let them wear. Who styled them for this media round? From fry pan to fire. What were those nonsense rags they were wearing there? Then they will now do their hair like Indomie, looking like twins. True, they are really twins, sha. But with those local shoes. See their mates now. They've come out to at least help them pimp. Then they went to go and be doing DJ work, looking like the Raz twins that they are at the Kelly Race winners party. That way they were just jumping up and down. Every smelling. I could, from the videos I saw, I could tell they were smelling. Help their lives. They've come outside now. Get them a good stylist. Flora Shaw is used to styling BB and housemate. People can enter Flora Shaw's DM if you can afford that. The other style, even Prince's sister is there too. Styling Soju, I be was Soju every day. You can help them. they are quite affordable. They're not as expensive as those other stylists online. Meet them to help your faves. Drop your pride. You are standing local girls this season. Come down from your high horse, Wanni and Handi fans. Come down and ask for help. Ask for help. Your girls are local. They are embarrassing. Uh-uh. To Fiakwa. Thank you.
From everything wey be say I don see so far since I don dey watch Big Brother dey come, the most organized fan base ever for the history of Big Brother na K Squad. The reason why I thought say K Squad na the most organized fan base for the history of Big Brother Naija na the fact say when Kelly Ray and Cassia dey up for 8 week, dey vote. Okay, no, not be 8 week dem dey up together. For the week wey dem dey up together, you see say their fans come together vote for two of them. Dem no reach, dem no even dey for bottom. Dem no dey for bottom. Den when e come reach 8 week, Kelly no come dey up. These people come vote for Cassia to top the voting chart. And for online, Wanni fans no allow us get peace. They tell us say na Wanni na top the chart for that voting week. They say na she, not knowing say the girl even dey bottom. She follow for the bottom people. That one, if anything shock me, na this one e wan shock me pass. So another thing too na the fact say after they save Cassia for 8 week, ninth week they come conclude between themselves say they no go save this girl. Na so they no come vote for the girl. Even as they no even vote for her, neutrals wey vote for her, she still get 7%. They come evict the girl so that they will concentrate on her husband. Imagine fan base wey be say don dey contribute money from week 1 till final week for their fave. Na those kind fan base na be rich fan base now. Do you know how much it is to contribute money? You know how much they contribute for voting? Na dey see their voting this thing for Twitter now and for TikTok and all of that. It is a lot of money, millions of votes. So e no really easy. They try well well. And for Onyeka fans, I have nothing to say because una don already show workings. No need for cho. For Nelita fans, now una own really shock me. But wetin I no understand na how Nelita, since week 1 dem don dey top, e come reach finals dem come dey for bottom. Na that thing na really shock me. But who knows? Na that thing wey be say dey talk, no look down on anybody. People really look down on the Nelita pair well well, and e come turn out say they be actual top contenders since all this while. Only their fans push harder. That bottom wey be say dem dey for final week, dey no even suppose dey there. So with all the brouhaha wey be say dey go online, Chinwe come out to come tweet about the whole situation. So Chinwe come out come say the money has been married for over a week now. You all stop tagging me to your change on this app. Na only winner fan base suppose drag me abeg. What in the coulda woulda shoulda? Rest theirs. Onyeka and her sister come out to come talk their own for the result wey be say come out of recent. So na Chizoba na first tweet. Chizoba come say evidence dey o. Onyeka come say biggest O for a reason now. Come put emoji wey cover hand for mouth. No rule anybody off for life. Na be the meaning of this dey checkers name. No rule anybody off for life. Imagine person wey be say dey bottom for first week come be top 3 for finals. And as for Victoria fans, I dey see say dem dey laugh una online. Una no need to dey discouraged. Una no need to feel any certain kind of way. Even though say una appear for bottom, because me sef I dey surprised say I see Victoria for bottom of almost all the whole week wey dey vote. E makes no sense to me, but una still try. E no easy to dey vote every week because Victoria too, dey nominate her well well just like they nominate the double K. So I understand how difficult it was for her fans to continuously dey vote for the girl. All fan bases na winners, all na winners, but there's a difference between odogu and regular fan base. Wetin all fan base need to do no be to dey fight the way dem dey fight online, na just to engage their fave post wey be say dem dey post. Anything wey be say una see say una fave dey sell, una go assist dem buy am. If una get the money, dey engage their social media handles, all of that. Na be the only way be say una fit take support dem for postshow. But this plenty fight dragging, the show don finish. Kelly Ray don carry 60 million go house go share with Cassia. There's nothing anybody can do about that money, I'm telling you. So let's all just move on and enjoy the post show without any toxicity. Una take care, una bye.